Okay, today I'm going to try to get the SP9100 to scan, I don't know, to do whatever I need to connect to the Bluetooth. Start the Jeep up. Pretty simple. It's not the GoPro, so just do the Switch Pro, I guess. Alright, I restarted my phone. I guess I probably should have thought of that. And then you can also see there's a little blue light that's in the, let's see if I can show it to you. That blue light there shows they're Bluetooth connected. Oh shoot. Let's turn it up here. So, got nothing. I don't know exactly what we're doing here. What else? Okay. So I can control from here, but I don't want to. Wow, there's a lot I can do in here. Alright, I think I want to mess with making this light up top strobe. Yes, I do want them all ignition controlled. See what that does. Oh, well, I don't know. Okay, so well, I need to do some reading on this. Okay, I figured out what I was doing wrong. I should have read. It's pretty clear in here. Basically, I want a flash function, and I get that by just a quick double press. So, for example, I'm just gonna hit my light twice. I did 2 times quick in succession, so I just get a flasher. So I figure something like that will be good for emergency, something like that, just so you know that something's wrong. So there's that, and then there it's just regular. It's off, but yeah. So I'm probably going to do that to most of my lights, to have just a slight, this is just flasher. I don't want any that'll be good for like a quick emergency setting, so I don't have to worry about that kind of trigger or anything else. But I still like to use something else for that trigger, but I'm not sure what it would be. Oh, I'm just getting another code. Huh. Probably low voltage. Oh, I'm an idiot. Okay. Turn the panels or the switches to where it's green. I dimmed it as much as I could. I can't figure out, I guess maybe there's not a way to get it to where it dims when I turn my headlights on like so. I also wanted to get it to where if I didn't have my headlights on, I couldn't do my my light bar, but it's okay. It's really a non-issue. But yeah, there's certainly some kinks that I'll have to work out. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the setup.